Ay, Dios mío. Alexa, record.
I mentioned a vlog, and I kind of pointed out exotic one you're talking about.
Yeah, the exotic.
Yeah. You just parked. Oh my god. See what happens, man? You know, you go from the left middle lane to the exit, you know, like, dude got stuck. He was supposed to be on this lane. This lane is slightly higher. Word. Hear that? Ooh. Damn, that was bad. S1432885. No right turn on red, and he still did it. Okay. Watch his brakes go on. It's not. That's how you do it. It's crazy.
Chuck.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
That's your.
Wow. ESU got to go on the sidewalk because school bus over there want to block traffic, and I have to light, and they end up blocking traffic. ESU got to go in the opposite lane. Look at that. I don't know what happened over there, but there's a lot of traffic.
De trabajar.
But look at this guy. What are you doing? What are you doing? But look at this guy. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yo quiero ser algo más y me lanzo por ti. No te va a ser fácil deshacerte de mí. Ahora es tiempo de poder olvidar y poder empezar. Te extraño, es cierto, es la que no sé vivir. Hello.
Accent, not using a signal.